Hello guys, I hope you're all doing well by God's grace. If you're new to this family, I say welcome. So quickly, today we're making some party jollof. And for this party jollof, we need some fresh tomatoes, tomato puree, fennel seed, anise, some chili paste that I made, rosemary, some salt to taste, dried parsley, yellow and red onions, ginger, garlic, pepper, nutmeg, avocado oil. To enhance the smell of my jollof, I'm gonna be using smoked beef bacon to fry the oil. It makes your jollof smell so good. Alright, so let's get into the video. The first thing we're gonna do is to blend our onions and spices. To a heated pan, add your oil, beef bacon. Friends, I cut them into pieces. Let it fry a little bit before you add your onions. Friends, at this point you can go ahead and remove the beef bacon. I'm not cooking with it, I'm just enhancing the smell of the oil. I'm not throwing it away either, we can eat it later. But onions. These pepper, I'll put the name in the description box if I remember the name. They make your food smell so good too. They're very good. They're not too spicy, but they give your food a nice smell and flavor. So we're going to add that right now. Chili paste. Tomato paste. Friends, the base of your jollof determines how nice your jollof is going to smell. Okay, so you want to make sure you enhance the smell of your oil in order to get a nice smell when your jollof is done. Add your blended onions and spices. Our stew is splattering, so if you want to prevent it from splattering everywhere in your kitchen, you want to open it this way, right? Just gently, halfway, right? And then you stir. And then you close your saucepan and let it continue cooking. Friends, our stew have been cooking for almost an hour now on low heat. And once you see the oil on top of it, you know it's ready. So we're gonna go ahead and add the rice to the stew. Friends, we want to check on our jollof rice and make sure everything is good. It is cooking beautifully, and we just want to stir it. You want to do this periodically. So the rice cooks evenly. Look at this. Look at this. Also, friends, make sure your fire is on low heat so it doesn't burn. Our jollof rice is ready. Let the party begin. Look at jollof rice. Look. So beautiful. Perfect texture. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, share. Be safe, and we'll see you in the next one, okay? All right. You are all invited to the party. Bye.